hear you.
Yeah. This is our submission for Taxi Hackathon. Our product is iSELL, and I'll be giving a short demo. So we have two flows. So for people who want to come and sell on iSELL, and for people who want to come and buy a product on iSELL, we'll be starting with the vendor flow for people who want to sell on iSELL. So you start by creating a free account. You can either click on create a free account or become a vendor. So become a vendor. So we have to sign up options. You can sign up with your personal details, or you can sign up with Google, your Google account. So sign up with. And here you can set up, like the next stage is to set up your business details. You can put details about your business, like your business name, describe something about your business or what your business does, put your business industry, and then you can put the location where your business currently is. So we'll be uploading all that. Then you can upload your logo, upload the business logo or your brand logo or anything that depicts your business. So we're putting something there. All right, so setup. This takes you to your dashboard, and now automatically we integrated Rapyd Wallet. So for every vendor who comes on iSELL, they automatically assign a wallet where customers can pay. So now they have their empty dashboard. You can go ahead to add a product. So create a product, add a product to your collection on iSELL, put in the product name, the price of the product, and how many you currently have in stock. Then you upload an image to depict the item you have for sale. All right, so that product has been added to your store. So now we are going back to the customer front to see people who want to come and buy a product. So you can see that the product is already added to your store collection. And now we're going back to see it from the customer's perspective. So when a customer comes on iSELL, you can click on buy now to see the list of available vendors and what they have. So buy now. And now we can see Wonderwares. Wonderwares is what we currently created, the store we currently created. Now we want to see what they have and buy. Now we can see the blue shirt that was uploaded there. So buy now. Click on buy now. It's automatically added to your cart at the top right corner. So we go there to begin checkout. All right, so put the amount you need and then you can proceed to payments from there. So a customer proceeds to payments when he sees the item on his cart. All right, so we implemented the Rapyd checkout page so you can see the customer enters his card details to complete the purchase. All right, now customer places their order. All right, so the payment has been made. So this payment goes directly into the vendor's wallet, which was created at the creation of the account, which they were automatically assigned. The Rapyd wallet, they were automatically assigned. The amount is being paid into that wallet. So that's the whole flow for the entire product. The website was developed with React.js. The server side was developed with Node.js. and all the cast state managements were handled with the Redux toolkits. Thank you very much.